Hey yo, in this video, I will show you a Discord server made in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes, along with the accelerated pace of making it and the results. Thanks to this video, will you be able to compare whether there is any difference in the time spent on creating the server? So what are we going? First server made in 1 minute. So let's check the 1 minute server results. We have system lobby and simple chat. That's all in 1 minute server. Let's go to 10 minute server. So now it's time to see the results of a server created in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we can create a really nice, extensive server with systems thanks to the Stites application, which automates everything for us. On the server, we now have systems such as logs, greetings, farewells, verification, channels with limits, and auto-roll, i.e., assigning roles to new users. In the background, I present you logs made thanks to the Stites system. Now let's move on to the last server done in 30 minutes. So in the end, creating the most extensive server took me about 24 minutes. The server has systems like the previous 10-minute server plus ticket system. The server really has aesthetic channels, categories, and roles, and I want to write on it or talk to others. Really, the time it takes to create a server doesn't matter much. What matters most is skill. But I must admit that time is also a limiter here. If you like the video, you can leave a sub and a like, and I'll say goodbye to you until the next one.